In next few seconds, I'm going to share with you a very simplest and silly hack. It will only take 2 minutes of your day and it will help you get tons of high paying digital marketing clients with free referrals. Yes, but before I move ahead, I would like to share with you how did I get my first freelancing client. It's a very important lesson and fun story for you. Let's start. So this is a story of pandemic when I started my freelancing career as a digital marketer. By the way, that time I did not have any followers on Instagram, neither a good network or family circle or any friends who were having a business whom I can offer my digital marketing services. So I had no one to reach out to in my network. So obviously, I was looking for many ways out there to get more clients. I was knocking the doors. But this one connection I made helped me get 3 clients in a row for free. Want to know what was that? So basically, I was just posting on Instagram about what my services are. I was talking about how to grow your social media and sharing SEO and content tips. At that time, there's one lady who is a graphic designer living in Ahmedabad. She connected with me that, hey, this hack of Instagram reach worked out for me. I could see the difference. I'm getting more reach. It's so good. And then we started having some sort of conversation. We used to share the tips in between. She used to share with me some designing tips. How can I make my post more visual? And in exchange, I used to share her social media tips. So this relation went so far. And one day we went on a call and we were just having conversation about certain things. And she mentioned, hey, by the way, are you open to work? Because I'm working for one of the client. I'm offering them graphic designing services. And he is actually looking for a social media expert. I can see that probably you can help. And I was like, why not? I am looking for a client. And bro, I just need them right now. So she referred me to that client, and not only one but all the 3 clients she has referred my name luckily, and she's the one who has helped me get my first few freelancing clients. And the takeaway of this story is networking works. Yes, I could get my first few clients just because I connected with that lady. And not only she has helped me get clients, but after that, whenever I got more clients, I used to refer my client to opt for her graphic designing and video editing skills because she was prompt and good at it. So this is how we had a mutual benefit promoting each other to our clients respectively. So this works out, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. Actually, networking with the right peers who are also offering digital solutions will help you get more referrals from them, and it will be a mutual benefit collaboration. So whom should you be networking with, and how will you be reaching out to these people? Hold on, I'm gonna share with you everything. All right, now I'll be sharing with you the 3-step process how to do a perfect networking. First of all, let's talk about whom to connect and which platform to use. Okay, so platform you can use can be Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, any social media platform to connect with the right people. But connecting the right people is the major thing here. So whom should you connect as a digital marketer so that it will be possible for these people to refer you to their clients? So who are they? And I'll also share why. So first type of audience you can connect with are developers and software engineers. Why? Because these are those people who are helping clients build a website, build a mobile app, and when they are creating it for client, what else they need? Probably marketing materials. And obviously, if the brand is launching, they need social media experts, digital marketers, they need SEO experts to make this website worth ranking on Google. Correct. So it's perfect for you as a digital marketer to connect with software developers because they are offering a kind of digital services where digital marketing is core. So they can refer you to their clients, and it would be very doable for them to refer you. This is the first type of audience. Second type of audience you can connect with are designers and editors. As I mentioned that I got my first referral client through a designer. So you can build a connection with graphic designers, video editors, because they're helping clients to post creatively on social media, and their clients for sure need digital marketing experts, social media experts, content creators, and more, right? It's also very feasible for them to promote you. Third type of audience you can reach out to are business coaches. Yes. What is the job of a business coach? Is to help a startup, is to help a business grow. And growth of a business in today's age is obviously through digital platforms. They are trying to get more reach, and business coaches are perfect to refer you as digital marketing partner to those business who can also exceed their growth proficiently. So it's also very convenient for them to refer you. So it's better you connect to business coaches and consultants. And fourth in the list, you can connect to virtual assistant. These people are those who are helping clients to ease their work while organizing their calendar, organizing their meetings, and more. So they know what business need a lot at this very moment. They know where my business owner is facing a lot of struggles. And if it is on digital marketing, they can also pitch you to their client. So it's a good idea to connect with a virtual assistant. So as I mentioned, you can connect with them on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or any other platform. But the point here is how to connect in a way that they will see a kind of an opportunity, and not only that, they can refer you somewhere. You can also refer them to your clients. Let's say you have one client and you think that if I'm connecting to a website developer and my client need a better website or landing page, I can refer to this website developer. Second, if I'm reaching out to a designer or an editor, my client also needs someone. I'm a social media expert. I'm helping my client with the content creation strategy, everything, but they need a good designer. So you can recommend them as well. Like virtual assistant, same, you can also refer your client a virtual assistant. You can refer a business coach to your client. So it's a two-way referral plan. They can refer you and you can refer them. So it's a perfect deal. And this beneficial proposal is what also make that obviously if they refer you somewhere, you will give them 20% of their first month budget or package. You can also have some sort of percentage sharing model in between, but that is completely up to you. All right. Moving ahead, like how to connect, like how to convince them this is a great deal for both of us. Which message should you be sending them? So now I'll be sharing with you how to draft a perfect message that delivers them the great message for this referral deal. Okay. So you can write something like, hi, the person's name. Got to know you're a website developer, bro. It's really awesome. I've been seeing the kind of projects you have been handling. I really could see you are working with very good brands. Hey, by the way, like I'm working for X client, and if you could let me know your bandwidth, probably I can refer you to some of my clients. They may be needing a person like you or expert like you in coming months. Are you open to work? And this is like perfect. They'll like, yeah, it is for my benefit. I can definitely go ahead. Even if right now you don't have such client, but in future you can pitch that person to a client, then you just can draft this message. I'll again read it out. Hi, the person's name. I hope you're doing great. I have been seeing your content. You're really working with great brands and delivering great results. Vouching for you here. Hey, by the way, just want to know your availability, or are you open to work? Because I could see some of my clients could require your service in couple of months. If you're open for this, probably I can pitch your name there. And who doesn't want more clients? Everyone does, right? So this would be a very good opening message for them because it is directly speaking to their benefit. Now you can start the message that I'll be definitely sharing. And genuinely, if there's one client who is looking for an expert like them, you refer their name to them. But in this flow, you can also talk about, hey, by the way, I would like to introduce which kind of expert I am. So I help my clients with A, B, C, D, E. You can list your services. These are the great results I have delivered to my client. And I'm also open for more collaborations, more opportunities. By the way, in your existing client, if you have anyone might be looking for any expert like me, then I would love to connect with them. I guess this will be a mutual benefit for both of us. We can refer each other to most of the prospects or clients. Many times, additionally, they need a website developer or a virtual assistant. They are also looking for this or that, where you are an expert. So we can collaborate for certain meetings and can, onboard the client together. How do you like this idea? Just that's it. This message is more than enough for them to open for the collaboration, and it's not costing them anything. It's beneficial for both of you. So it's 100% chance that they'll agree, and this is how you can connect. You can send them this message on Instagram, or you can connect with them on LinkedIn and send them the connection. So this is a very good way of getting a client for free with referral from the right audience, because referral works great. We all know about it. Okay, so you can try this out, and I'll see you guys on my next video with another freelancing tip. By the way, if you haven't binged a series on getting more freelancing clients with craziest way, then you must watch my freelancing playlist. You must. All right. See you in my next video. If you really like this hack, feel free to like, subscribe it. Please share your love in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. And if you are looking for a digital marketing course, or you're looking to learn freelancing in a very proficient level, then I have designed many digital marketing courses recorded in live, where I am helping undergraduates, mothers, 9 to 5 employees build a profitable digital marketing career and business using the right strategy. So if you want to learn this, you are most welcome to my courses. And to get more daily tips on digital marketing freelancing, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. My page name is @GautamPrachi.co. You'll find all the links in the description box. See you in my next video, and do not forget to share your love. All right. See you. Bye. Take care.